Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change password on Bitget account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Bitget app on your phone, and then right over here this kind of interface is gonna pop. So now for you to change the password, you're gonna go to this option of this menu icon on top left. From over here, tap on this your user ID, and from over here you're gonna find this option of security given, and then you're going to see this option of login password. Now go ahead and to simply set your new password. You're going to enter your new password. You're going to enter your password first. Once you have entered it, then once you're done entering your password, go at the bottom again, re-enter. Once you're done, tap on submit, and the verification code will be sent to your particular email. Go ahead, tap on the email and simply copy this code. Go over here, paste, tap on confirm, and now your password. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.